Your body is the tool. Welcome to this guide on why ergonomics keeps you working. Today, we're exploring a multi-industry approach to preventing upper limb disorders and keeping every worker safe. Every shift, your body pays the price. Every task, lifting, gripping, reaching, or typing, loads your muscles, joints, and tendons. Over time, the wrong setup or posture can cost you your livelihood. The numbers do not lie. Over 511,000 workers in Great Britain suffered a work-related musculoskeletal disorder in 2024 to 25. This accounts for 27% of all work-related ill health cases. Ergonomics is the science of designing work, tools, and environments to match the capabilities of the worker. Whether on a construction site, production line, or at a desk, when work fits the worker, performance goes up. Upper limb disorders, or ULDs, affect the fingers, wrists, arms, and neck. Known as RSI or cumulative trauma, these conditions cause over 4 million lost working days annually. Most are preventable with the right controls. No industry is exempt. In construction and skilled trades, risks include heavy manual handling, overhead work, and vibrating tools. All of these require careful management to avoid injury. In food manufacturing, repetitive cutting and cold environments increase risk. Similarly, warehousing and logistics involve floor-level lifts and prolonged driving. Ergonomics applies everywhere work happens. 6 factors drive ergonomic injury. First is repetition, movements repeated without enough recovery. Second is force, lifting or gripping loads that overload the body's natural capacity. Third is awkward posture, taking the body away from its neutral position. Fourth is static posture, holding one position for too long, which reduces blood flow and accelerates muscle fatigue. Fifth is vibration from power tools or machinery. Finally, duration. The longer the exposure, the less recovery time. Cumulative strain builds quietly over thousands of shifts. Your legal duties are not optional. In the UK, employers have clear obligations under the Health and Safety at Work Act and specific regulations covering manual handling and vibration. These laws require suitable risk assessments and the ergonomic design of tools and workstations. Remember, an injury claim can cost significantly more than prevention ever would. HSE's HSG60 provides a structured 7-stage approach. It starts with understanding the issues and committing to action, followed by creating the right organizational environment to assess risks. Identify it before it injures someone. Look for warning signs like workers wearing bandages, avoiding tasks, or complaining of pain. Involve workers directly. They understand the task better than anyone. Fix the work, not just the worker. First, try to eliminate the hazardous task entirely. If that's not possible, redesign the task or workstation layout to reduce reach distances. Use engineering controls like lifting aids or conveyor systems. Administrative controls, such as job rotation and scheduled breaks, are also essential to managing production pressure. Early action prevents permanent damage. Watch for aching, soreness, tingling, or reduced grip strength. Employers must create a culture where workers feel safe to speak up without fear of consequences. Employers should record all symptoms and review tasks immediately. One reported case often means many more workers are at risk but haven't spoken up yet. Early reporting is a critical safeguard. Stress and pressure are ergonomic risks too. High workload and limited autonomy trigger physical stress responses. These behaviors compound physical risk and accelerate the path to serious injury. Ergonomic injuries build quietly across thousands of tasks. Don't wait for pain to become an injury. Report discomfort early, speak to your supervisor, and take your breaks. They are not optional. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, share it with your team. Subscribe to the Toolbox Ready HSE channel on YouTube for new safety content posted regularly. Nobody gets hurt. Everybody stays healthy. See you in the next one.